Good morning, students. Today our topic is order by clause. So, by default, if you will put any query with help of select command, it will not be in ordered. Statement is not in order, okay, by default. So, if you want to sort your data in ascending or descending order, you have to use order by clause. So, the syntax is select comma separated select list means you have to write the columns, what the columns you have to display. From table name you have to write table name. Where condition, so condition also you have to implement. After that, after putting condition, you can write order by. If you have the condition, then only you can put it. If you do not have to, leave this where condition clause. It's written in a square bracket, means to say it is a optional. Order by field name, that field name you have to write in ascending or descending order. If you have more field, then you can write with the help of comma and you can write other column. So I'll show you with the help of the data. Select star from data. This is my table name and it's showing you all the records: roll number, name, marks, grade, section, project. And you can see the what marks we have given. It's not in order. First 76 is coming, then 71 is coming, 81, then 51. That means marks are not in order. If you want to put marks in order, then what the command you have to write? That is select. I will write it. Select table column marks, which tables is coming from data, order by marks, means we are going to sort the data by marks field. So can you see 32.50, 51, 57, 61 means data in order, and we have not written any ascending order, means we have not mentioned any order like ascending or descending. So that means by default will take ascending order. So forcefully if you want to write, so you can write it. So same output is coming. Now if you want to display the data in descending order, you can write DESC. What you can write? DESC means descending, right? So the data is in descending order, means 10 to 1. So 97, then 91, then 88, 88, then 76, and so on. Clear? So this is the order by clause in one column. If you want to put order by clause in more than one column, so what the column we can say it, that is creating data on multiple columns. So how you will give? This is a syntax: select order by field name 1, and you have to mention what the order you want, then comma field name 2, then ascending and descending that you want it. So by default they have given select star from data, order by section ascending, and marks descending. So this we can do it. What we can write it? Select select star from data, order by section field also we have, and we have to mention section, and we have to mention here ascending, comma marks descending. Sorry, by mistake I have written marked here. It should be marks. So can you see here that first of all we are just ordering our data by section wise. So it will take first AA, BB, CC, and if AA is common, so it will show you according to the, like say A may we have 76 and 71, means first of all it will give preference to the section column. After that, when this column, when the value will be common, then it will put in a descending order, because second priority we have given into the marks field. So 66, 76, like that it is coming. Okay, then same way for B we can have 97, 91, means first of all it will take this field as a ascending order, then after that it will put this field as a descending order as we have given in the query. What query we have given? select star from data, order by section ascending, comma marks descending. So I hope you have understood the concept of order by clause. Thank you, students.